Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike in South Louisiana, making another video today. This is going to be a fishing video with my Kentucky cousins. Come down to Toledo Bend for a trip. That's Neil, Simone, Kentucky and Tennessee. That's Jalen. Jalen's aspiring to be a professional bass fisherman. He's pretty good. I kind of got him hooked on this crankbait trolling, so we're going to go out and do some crankbait trolling. It's November the 3rd on a Thursday afternoon, about 3:30, 4 o'clock. Cold front just came through last night. Cleared up about 60 degrees. I've been hitting them pretty good on some deep water spots with the crankbait trolling. So this video is going to be kind of special because I'm going to give you some insight into the gear I'm using as far as the type of pole, the type of line, the types of bait, and the speed that I'm trolling at. So if everybody's ready, here we go. First fish of the day. I don't know if he'll make the keeper 12-inch limit. Get him, Neil. Neil got him a big one. Bring him in, Neil. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Hold on, Neil. Hold on. Yeah, hold him out. Hold him out here. That's a good fish. That's a good fish, Neil.
Stomping, nothing. Yeah, keeper. What'd you get on his back? Shit.
Foul hook.
Huh?
Foul hook. Neil had his GoPro.
You wouldn't GoPro that, would you? Huh? You wouldn't GoPro that, would you?
I bet you. It's a good one, guys. This is how you catch them crankbait trolling. That's how it's done, crankbait trolling on Toledo Bend Lake.
It's a good one.
That's a good one. A couple of thousand.
It's Farmer Hill, CEO of Rocket Companies. If you thought you missed your chance to refinance and save, think again. Mortgage rates have recently dropped below 3%, and Rocket Mortgage can help you save big. You could lower your monthly payment and prepare yourself for a better financial future. But you've got to act now. Call us today at 8338-ROCKET or go to rocketmortgage.com.
Boudreaux. Right when we got to that big fish, man. Got a good phone. 1500. The future starts today.
Rare Mother is your local source for feed, hardware, and anything you need for your home project. Our full-service lumber makes picking up building materials and supplies quick and easy.
3.
Here, check out our
1.71. So is that 1 pound 7 ounces or 1 pound 7 tenths?
1 3/4.
So it's tenths?
Yeah, it's tenths.
Need the net? You did it, bro.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. What have you been looking for? Sweet. Sweet.
It's probably 3 or something.
You know what? Okay, I'll wait. Trying to catch it up.
It's right when we come up on that 10-foot.
Yeah, there you go. 2.6. 2.5.
Keep it.
Yeah, it's a good fillet. Oh, you crossed over. You
Yeah.
crossed over to Pass Point. Oh, you crossed over to Pass Point. And right when you... There you go, Jalen. Not bad. That's encouraging, my friend. It's starting to bite again. Tomorrow might be a good day.
I actually get up early tomorrow.
We actually, last time, we come out at 9:30, we'd catch till about 10 and stop. So we started coming out at 8, and we caught better till about 10. It was an early morning bite last time I was here, so
Yeah.
we can do that tomorrow. See your last full day.
Just get out by 8 or something.
Hit the water at 8, be back at 11, go back out at 3 or 4. Maybe they'll turn on, you can catch you. I'd like to see you catch a good 6 or 7, you know. I'd like to get a good picture for the wall with you. Oh, it's still coming. Double crankbait throw. Nice Kentucky on Toledo midnight. In the boat. In the boat. Might get better and better as it warms up.
I know.
Like tomorrow might be the day.
In the lava.
Keeper! Get him, Jalen. You're recording. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, so hope you all enjoyed the fishing video. We had a great 3 days of fishing. Probably caught over 30 bass. We did limit out on our last day of fishing, which was yesterday. Nothing real big, had almost a 3-pounder, a couple of 2s, but we had a great time. So as promised, I'm going to give you some information on how to crankbait troll and show you the gear that I use. I use this one happens to be a Boudreaux 6.6 fishing rod. It's important to use a medium fast with a lot of bend on the tip for the action. So this is a 6.6 medium fast, a 1/4 to 5/8 ounce lure with an 8 to 17 pound test line rating. And I use the old Calcutta 150Bs, round bait cast reels. And my lure that I use is a Strike King 5XD crankbait. Here they are. I use the series 5XDs, and the Sexy Shad color is my favorite. Alright. The test line that I'll use is a Tri-Lean 10-pound test. Alright, that's important because the 10-pound test allows the crankbait to get down to the depth that you want. Alright, so as far as the technique that I use, I recommend you purchase this book online or on eBay. It's the Precision Trolling book on crankbait trolling. Gives you all the stats, all the theory behind trolling, and actually gives you each individual lure and how much line you put out to make it get to the depth you want. So the speed that you run the boat in has nothing to do with the depth of the lure. It's the size of the line and the amount of line you put out. I like to take a 5XD that'll run rated to go 15 foot. I let out about 30 to 45 foot of line, and it'll run 8 to 10 foot. And I like to troll in about 12 to 15 foot of water. So just find some shad, which is what they were feeding on. We found the shad and the fish were there. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Remember, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're catching them one fish at a time. See you next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're catching them one fish at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.